Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today's video is a quick solution video. A student has messaged me on Instagram and he asked me that he wants to wake up early so that he can make the best use of his mornings. And I know many of you want to cultivate this habit of waking up early. So in today's video, I will give you few tips, and if you follow them, then you will be able to wake up early with minimum efforts. So please watch the whole video and please subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, that if you are suffering from any problem or if you want me to make a video on any topic, then please message me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is also in the description below. Now let's start the video. Now before telling you the exact tips on how to wake up early, there are two things that you need to understand. Number one is there is no strict rule that you have to wake up early in order to achieve something or becoming successful. It doesn't matter whether you do something in the morning or in the evening, the results will be same. So whether it's meditation or exercise or studies or any other thing, you can do all these things at any time of the day. The results will be same. So you don't have to torture yourself to wake up early in the morning if there is no need. Now the second thing that you need to understand is this: if you sleep very late at night, for example like 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. at night, and suddenly you want to wake up early in the morning like at 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. in the morning, then it's not gonna happen. You might be able to do it for a day or two, but eventually you will be back to your normal routine. So these are the two things that you need to understand. Now, if you still want to wake up early, then I'm going to tell you two tips, and if you follow them, then you will be able to wake up early in the morning effortlessly, and there is a very high chance that you will wake up on your own without any alarm clock. So the first thing that you have to do if you want to wake up early is don't use your mobile phone for at least 3 hours before going to bed. Now, if you sleep at 12 at night normally, then don't touch your mobile phone after 9 p.m. Now, what will happen when you will not use your mobile phone? You will become bored. You will become so bored that you will start feeling sleepy and ultimately you will fall asleep. I know it's very hard, but you can either do the hard thing or you can lie to yourself that one day you will magically wake up early in the morning. And this is the first step that you have to do if you want to wake up early, and this is the most important part of this video. And if you fail to follow this step, then all other steps will just waste your time. Now let's talk about the second thing that you have to do. So the second thing that you have to do is don't eat anything for 10 hours before your waking up time. For example, if you want to wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning, then don't eat anything after 8 p.m. at night. Or if you want to wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, then don't eat anything after 7 p.m. at night. Eating before going to bed will disturb your sleep, and it will also keep you heavy throughout the night, and there is a very high chance that you will not be able to wake up early. On the other hand, it is pretty much easier to wake up early and leave the bed when you are empty stomach. So this is the second thing that you have to do. Don't eat anything for 10 hours before your waking up time. Now the last tip is just use an alarm clock, but alarm clock will only work when you have followed the first two steps. And one more thing, that if you feel very hungry at night, then you can drink hot milk. Drinking milk before going to bed relaxes you, and it also helps you in getting a sound sleep. So these were the few things that you have to do if you want to wake up early. So this is all for this video. Now if you want a video on any other topic, then please message me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is in the description below. Or if you want to support me, then you can contribute money on Google Pay or Paytm. The details are in the description. So this is all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.